Welcome back to our channel, where I explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the future of artificial intelligence and how it will transform our lives. So, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has captured widespread attention and become a prominent buzzword in recent years. But what precisely is AI? At its core, AI refers to the development and implementation of computer systems that possess the ability to perform tasks that typically necessitate human intelligence. AI enables machines to mimic and simulate human thought processes, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making, by leveraging advanced algorithms, data analysis, and machine learning techniques. AI systems can process vast amounts of information, identify patterns, and make informed predictions or take actions based on that knowledge. The scope of AI applications spans across various domains, including healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. In healthcare, AI assists in disease diagnosis, drug development, and personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI algorithms enhance fraud detection, automate trading, and improve customer service. In transportation, AI powers self-driving cars and optimizes traffic management systems. The significance of AI lies in its potential to augment human capabilities, streamline processes, and drive innovation. By automating mundane and repetitive tasks, AI frees up human resources to focus on higher-value activities that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, there are ongoing discussions around ethics, privacy, and the responsible deployment of AI systems. Striking the right balance between technological advancements and ethical considerations will be crucial to ensure that AI positively transforms our lives while maintaining human values and societal well-being. AI is already revolutionizing various industries, from healthcare to transportation, and it's only getting started. So, how exactly will AI transform our lives in the future? Let's explore. One area where AI holds tremendous potential is healthcare. Imagine a future where AI-powered systems can accurately diagnose diseases at an early stage, leading to better treatment outcomes and saving countless lives. AI has the potential to greatly enhance the efficiency of healthcare systems, bringing significant benefits to both doctors and patients. By automating routine tasks like paperwork and administrative duties, AI can free up valuable time for healthcare professionals to focus more on delivering personalized patient care. With the ability to handle medical records, appointment scheduling, and data management, AI streamlines processes, reduces human error, and increases overall efficiency within healthcare facilities. By leveraging AI-powered algorithms and data analysis, healthcare providers can gain valuable insights from vast amounts of patient data. This enables more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. AI can also assist in monitoring patient conditions in real time, providing early warnings for potential health risks and enabling proactive interventions. In the realm of transportation, AI is driving a major transformation through autonomous vehicles. These self-driving cars have already started to hit the roads, promising a revolutionary shift in the way we travel. With advanced sensors, machine learning algorithms, and connectivity, autonomous vehicles can navigate roads, make informed decisions, and adapt to changing traffic conditions. The integration of AI in transportation holds immense potential for reducing accidents caused by human error, optimizing traffic flow, and enhancing overall transportation efficiency. Furthermore, autonomous vehicles have the potential to provide increased accessibility for individuals with mobility limitations, transforming transportation into a more inclusive and convenient experience for all. As AI continues to advance, its impact on healthcare and transportation will continue to grow, bringing about significant improvements in efficiency, safety, and accessibility in these vital sectors. With AI at the helm, we can expect safer roads, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility for all. Commutes will become more productive as people can work, relax, or even catch up on sleep while their cars drive them to their destinations. But it's not just specific industries that will be impacted. AI will permeate our daily lives in countless ways. Imagine waking up to a home that knows your preferences. From adjusting the temperature to brewing your favorite cup of coffee, AI-powered personal assistants will anticipate your needs and make your life more convenient and efficient. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI advances, we must address ethical concerns and ensure that it's developed and used responsibly. Collaboration between humans and AI will be crucial in shaping a future that benefits us all. By setting clear guidelines and promoting transparency, we can harness the potential of AI while safeguarding against unintended consequences. The future of artificial intelligence is bright and promising. From healthcare to transportation and beyond, AI will transform our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. Embracing this technology and working together, we can create a future that's smarter, safer, and more efficient for all. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.